Good morning, my dear students. How you all are? I hope everyone is very fine, keeping themselves very healthy, fit and fine. Yes. Welcome in the session 10 of mathematics. Today we will deal some more topics related to chapter number 4, numbers 10 to 20. Okay. In our previous session we had already decided about some topics. The topics were circle the smallest number, circle the greatest number, put the sign. Okay, put the sign. These were the signs. About this sign we talked that day. Okay, where will be the mouth will be open, which side mouth will be open in front of the greatest number, that day we had done. Suppose 18 and 19 will be there, which side this mouth will be open, the mouth will be open this side. We discussed it that day, no? Okay, and if we will go through this 17 and 12, which side, this side, this will be there. These topics we had already done that day. Yes, so today we will deal with a new topic. And what is the topic? Our topic is ascending order. Ascending order. Okay, in this what we have to do? First of all, what is meant by ascending order? The word which I will say, that word you will repeat with me. After I'll speak one time, later you will repeat with me. Ascending means what? Ascending means smallest to greatest. Smallest to greatest means we have to arrange the number in a sequence. The sequence will be smallest to greatest. Ascending means what? Ascending means smallest to greatest. Ascending means smallest to greatest. Repeat with me. Ascending means what? Ascending order means what? Ascending order means smallest to greatest. Okay, let's take one example. You can see one example. While we are writing our numbers, the numbers are in ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we are counting forward, all the number is going through ascending order. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are what? Simple counting. While we are counting the numbers, all the numbers are in ascending order. And while we are counting backside, that will be descending order, that we will see later. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. This is in ascending order. Suppose these all the number you all are knowing the counting, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is like that only, no? But if you will write down the number like this, suppose if you write down 1, 3, 2, 4. Is it correct sequence? Is it correct? No, na? This one is wrong, no? Now you have to arrange it in ascending order. Means first of all you will write down the smallest number. You have to search the smallest number. So which one is the smallest here? Clearly you can see here 1 is smallest. After 1 which number we will write down? After number 1 which number will we go? Which number is bigger than 1? So here will be 2. Next which number will be there? Next will be 3. And afterwards next number will be 4. Okay, this is what? This is correct. But suppose if you want to write down 1, here 1 you have written, then you have written 2. But here if you will write down 4, suppose if you will write down 4 and 3, this will be what? This will be wrong. How it is wrong? Because ascending means what? Ascending means we are arranging the number smallest to greatest. Mean at first number smallest number will come. Then afterward the number which is little bit bigger. Then little bit bigger. Then the biggest one. Here 1 is the smallest. Okay. Afterwards 2 is little bit bigger than 1. Here you have written 4. But after 4 here you have written 3. Here what is written? Smallest to greatest. 4 is not a greatest number here. It is not, no. So this will be what? This will be wrong. Take one more example. Take one more example here. Suppose I have written 2, 6, 1, 8. 2, 6, 1, 8. Now we have to arrange it in ascending order. Ascending means what? Smallest to greatest. Ascending means what? Smallest to greatest. Why I am repeating it again and again? So that you can keep it in your mind that ascending means what? Ascending means smallest to greatest. Okay. Here is smallest number. Which one is the smallest here? 2. Is there any number which is smaller than 2? Yes, 1 is there. Then 6. Is there a number smaller than 6? 1 is there. And 8. Is there a number smaller than 8? 1 is there. So here will be what? Here will be 1. After 1, which number will come here? After 1, here 2 will come. 1, then 2. Okay. Then after here, which number will come? 6. And at the last, which number will come here? 8. This is what? This is ascending order. At the first place, smallest number is there, and at the last place, greatest number is there. Okay. While you are writing the ascending number, all the number must be in a sequence, means smallest to greatest only. First number is smallest. Here, this one is bigger than this number. Here, this one is bigger than this number. These two numbers, and here, this one is bigger to these 3 numbers. Means you have to write down all the number in a sequence from smallest to greatest. I hope you are getting me. Let's take example of another numbers 6, 9, 13 and 10. These are the numbers 6, 9, 13 and 10. So which one is the smallest here? Which one is smallest here? Here 6 is the smallest. After 6, which number will come here? After 6, which number will come here? Here 9 will come. Okay. After this, which number will come here? After this, 13 will come. After 9, which number will come? 13 is coming before, means 13 is near to 9 or 10 is near to 9. Which number is nearer to that number? That number will be already written here. 6, 9. So which number will come here? Here will come 10. Okay, here will come 10. And at the last, 13. This is what? This is ascending order. Okay. I hope you are getting me. I hope you are able to understand it. What you have to do? You have to practice all the ascending order, and it's my request to parents also, kindly make some questions related to ascending order by yourself in rough copy, so that they can do practice. Book work, copy work they will do. Along with that, please make 1 to more questions from your side and give to them for their practice. Okay, because in this they need more and more practice. Okay. Now next we will do what? Now we will go through ascending order. One more time I am asking, ascending order means what? Ascending order means smallest to greatest. As you all are standing in your assembly line now, smallest to greatest. At first line, the smallest boy is standing, and at the back, the boy who is having biggest height, that boy is standing. That is only ascending order. Okay, that is only ascending order, smallest to greatest. Okay, now we will do what? Let's do some exercise which is given in your book. Here you can see page number 42. Page number 42. Page number 42. Here, write the given number in ascending order: 16, 19, 5, 9. This you have to write down in ascending order. So which number will come at first place? Which one is the smallest here? Which one is the smallest here? Which one? Here, 5. Who is little bit bigger than 5? little bit bigger than 5. Which number is here? Which number is here? 9. Afterwards, after 9, which number is little bit more bigger here? Then 9, here will be 16. And which number is biggest here? Which number is biggest here? Here 19 is biggest. Okay, let's take one more example. 8, 2, 5 and 6. 8, 2, 5 and 6. Okay, what we will do? Which number is the smallest here? Which number is the smallest here? Here 2 is smallest. Then which number is there? Which number after 2? Which number will come here? 5. Then 6 and then 8. This is what? This is ascending order. This is what? This is ascending order. I hope you are getting me. I hope you are getting me. So page number 42. 2 questions I had already given you. We had already done here. 2 more questions you have to do. Okay. 2 more questions you have to do. Afterwards we will move further to page number 43. That is what? That is descending order. What? Descending order. That is what? That is descending. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-R-I-N-G. Descending order. Descending order. Here we will see the numbers will be greatest to smallest. Greatest to smallest. Here the numbers will be greatest to smallest. Okay, let's take example. 6, 8, 4, 3. 6, 8, 4 and 3. 6, 8, 4 and 3. Here we will arrange the numbers greatest to smallest. Greatest to smallest means at the first place greatest number will come and at the last place smallest number will come. At the first place greatest number will come and at the last place smallest number will come. Okay, so which number is greatest here? Which number is greatest here? Here 8 is greatest. Okay, while you are doing a descending order means now we have to count backward side. As we all are writing numbers backward side, no, the sequence will come like that only. The sequence will come like that only. Let me do this. First of all, which number will come? Here 8 will come. 8 will come. Afterward, which one is little bit more smaller than 8? 6. Then who is little bit more smaller than 6 here? Which one? Which one? Yes, 4. And which one is the smallest here? Which one is the smallest here? Which one? Here 3 is smallest. Okay, while we are arranging the numbers in descending order means the number must be greatest to smallest. The number must be greatest to smallest. You can see here greatest number is here and the smallest number is here. Greatest number is here and the smallest number is here. Let's take one more example. Let's take one more example here. In your book 4, 13, 12 and 19. 4, 13, 12 and 19. So, which one is greatest here? Which one is greatest here? Which one? Which number? Here 19 is greatest. Who is little bit smaller than 19 here among these number? Which one? Here 13. Then which one? Then 12 and then 4. Then 4 means greatest to smallest. Descending order means what? Greatest to smallest. And ascending order means what? Ascending order means smallest to greatest. Let's write one more time. What is meant by ascending and descending order? What is meant by ascending and descending order? Let's write it. Please learn it, what I am writing. Okay. Ascending means what? ascending order, and here what are we writing? Descending order. Ascending order means what? Ascending order means smallest to greatest, and descending means what? Greatest to smallest. You have to learn it. Please, this is your homework. You have to learn it. What is meant by ascending order? Ascending order means smallest to greatest. Ascending order means what? Smallest to greatest. And what is meant by descending order? Descending order means greatest to smallest. Descending order means what? Greatest to smallest. Why I am repeating these words again and again? Because this is the topic which make you confuse a lot. That's why this topic make more and more practice and more learning about these things. That ascending means what? Descending means what? First you have to learn that ascending means what? Ascending means smallest to biggest or greatest. Means here छोटे से बड़ा. We have to arrange. First we will write on the smaller number, smallest, then biggest. Please learn it. Repeat it again and again. Learn it and repeat it again and again. Okay? Today we will deal only and only with these two topics. In next session, we will do all the exercises which was in your homework. So, what is your today's homework? Your today's homework is page number 42 and 43. Once again I am writing. Your homework is 42 page number and 43. This is your page number. Okay, and along with this one more small piece of information is there, that copy work related to this chapter is already uploaded on our official website. Kindly go through it, write it very neatly in your copy. What will be the format? You will write down. First you will mention the date. 25/5/20, chapter 4, numbers 10 to 20. Okay, you will write down date, chapter 4, number 10 to 20. Afterwards, whatever questions you will get, every question you will write down over there. Okay, and along with that, here a very easy exercise is there. Number just after, number just before, numbers in between. This type of exercise we had already done in our chapter number 2, and I had explained you also how to do this. Okay, so try to do it in our next section. In our next session, I will tell you all the answers. Okay, so what is your homework? Your homework is page number 42, 43 and 44. These 3 pages you have to do: ascending order, descending order, ascending, descending, and just before, just after, and in between. Only this homework you have to do. Okay, please do it. Keep yourself very healthy. Take care about you. Bye bye.